Hey team, welcome back to another episode of What She Said, the weekly video series where we take you through nail myths and completely dispel what we believe to be untrue things about our beloved industry. I'm Penny from Monaco Nail Academy, and what she said this week is, oh no, acrylic ruins my nails. Okay, here's the thing. Every single semi-permanent product that we can put on your nails is acrylic. Gel polish is acrylic, hard gel is acrylic, dipping systems like SNS, they're acrylic, the new polygel systems, they're acrylic, hard gel is acrylic. It's all acrylic, or at least it's all from the same family as the liquid and powder product most commonly referred to as acrylic. It's from the Acrylic family, A-C-R-Y-L-A-T-E, not quite the same word, the Acrylic family of plastics, and the same kinds of ingredients are used to make all of those same products. So if you believe that acrylic ruins your nails, what you're more commonly referring to is a full set of liquid and powder acrylic enhancements. Now, should they ruin your nails? No, absolutely not. They shouldn't ruin your nails any more than any of those other services do. Some people will say gel polish ruins their nails. People will say any of these products ruin their nails, but it's not because they're plastic, which they are. It's not because they're all from the same family as liquid and powder products. The only reason that something would ruin your nails is if it was improperly applied, not well looked after, or not safely removed at the end. When you have any service applied, be it gel polish, dipping, acrylic, all the products that we've listed so far, when you have any service applied, no more prep should be done to your nail than a light buffing with a soft buffer. Generally, we're talking 180 grit or softer, which is quite soft. It's not particularly rough at all. Some dehydrating products might be used to clean out the first few layers of your nails, but not a lot of prep should be done. It's mostly about cleaning. It's not about roughing or etching or drilling into your nail plate in order to make something stick. That's not necessary. 30 years ago, when the nail technology wasn't as advanced as it is now, yes, we had to do different things to get products to stick. But nail technology is advanced enough now that you shouldn't need your nail etched or drilled or have anything done to it other than a light buff and a clean. Now, if your nails are prepped in that manner, then the next step is up to you. You still need to look after your enhancements. First things first, I would suggest that you don't have length any more than half your natural nail bed again. Any more than that is what we refer to at Monaco Nail Academy as fashion length, and it isn't necessarily that safe. Generally, if I'm doing a set of enhancements for a client, then I'm going to recommend for the safest length that they add no more than quarter of their natural nail bed length again on top of their nail plate. So you can keep your nails quite short, and then another thing that you can do while wearing your nail enhancements is apply cuticle oil every day. Cuticle oil is not just about like your nail technician making an extra $10 or $20 from you. That's not what cuticle oil is about. It's about keeping both your natural nail and your nail enhancement as flexible as possible so that during the course of everyday wear and tear, typing, opening car doors, doing the dishes, making the bed, all these things, your nails are able to react and then go back to normal. They're flexible and they can take the shock of everyday wear and tear. Lastly, if it being exposed to hot water, any water at all for a long period of time, or chemicals, make sure to wear gloves because water and other chemicals also dehydrate your nail and can make them more brittle and more prone to breaking or lifting. Lastly, when you have finished wearing them and you want them either maintained or taken off, make sure someone does this properly. All products should either be soaked off with a small amount of acetone so that they dissolve, or some products such as hard gel or polygel will need to be filed gently with a 180 grit file until there's a thin layer remaining on your nail, and then they'll leave that amount there. It will just grow out with no issues. What should never happen is having something like a tip stuck under and having it pried off. No one should be rushing or forcing dissolving product off your nail with a scraping tool. But basically, at the end of the day, after removal, your nails should look pretty much the same as they did before you had product put on them. So, There's a few tips on how to look after your nails and what things to look out for to make sure that everyone else is looking after your nails. Also remember though that acrylic is not the devil. All of the products are made of the same ingredients, so if you're worried about acrylic, worry about everything, and know as well though that we are using them at safe levels, and you should be going to a nail tech who's using them with safe steps and precautions as well. If you're a nail tech, feel free to share this video, share it with your clients, share it with your friends, check it on your Facebook page, and comment below and tell me what you've heard clients, friends, and even your peers say that you believe to be complete nail myths. I'll see you next week with another What She Said.